Hello friends, today I want to see how India annexed Sikkim with secret agents. Sikkim, a protectorate of India, was annexed on the pretext to establish democracy. The Indian army broke the doors of the palace. The palace guards took their last stand to protect the king. The doors fell, so did the kingdom of Sikkim. Sikkim, a protectorate of India, was absorbed as an Indian state constitutionally. Since World War II, Sikkim was probably one of the last countries in the world to be absorbed by another country. The annexation happened with the help of espionage and betrayal. Sikkim was a princess state which was not under the control of British India. Sikkim was governed to be an autonomous region but was under the jurisdiction of the British Crown. Sikkim was an essential part of British strategy for British India. Sikkim was sharing its border with Tibet, which was annexed by China in 1959. When India declared independence, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India, wanted Sikkim to join India. Jawaharlal Nehru fought for a concession for Sikkim and made it a protectorate of India. India took care of Sikkim's defense and communication. Jawaharlal Nehru's daughter Indira Gandhi thought the other way. Sikkim was a monarch until 1967. As pro-democratic protests grew, Sikkim King Gogyal accepted a constitutional monarchy in which he will be the leader of the country. The pro-Indian mentality in Sikkim took a deep dive in 1970, so much so that the King of Sikkim flaunted the idea to declare Sikkim as an independent country and to nullify the 1950 treaty with India, which made Sikkim a protectorate of India. The Sikkim king also went on an international tour to stress on the idea of an independent nation. He even thought to apply for United Nations membership. As a pro-Sikkim sympathizer, Jawaharlal Nehru died. King Goyal thought he could persuade the new Prime Minister Indira Gandhi to declare Sikkim as an independent country. He miscalculated the Margaret Thatcher of India. Indira Gandhi, the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru, had a firm policy of One India. It taunted her legacy as Prime Minister. Indira Gandhi liberated East Pakistan and declared it as Bangladesh. She announced an emergency in India, the only time it happened in independent India. Her hardline to eradicate terrorism led her to storm the Golden Temple, the most sacred shrine of Sikhism, with the help of the Indian army. Indira Gandhi got the name as the Iron Lady of India. King Goyal took Indira Gandhi as a soft leader in the early part of her career. As anti-Indian sentiments grew, Indira Gandhi was afraid that China might take over Sikkim. If Sikkim is lost, India will lose her narrow chickenhead access to her northeastern states. Recently classified documents state that Indira Gandhi might have requested Research and Analysis Wing, commonly called as RAW, an Indian intelligence branch to step in. RAW recruited local leaders, especially local Congress leaders, to start an agitation to integrate Sikkim into India. The protest took shape and the Sikkim Congress Party became majority in Sikkim Parliament. Meanwhile, India claimed that Sikkim king misappropriated money given for his palace renovation. The Sikkim Congress Party passed a resolution to integrate Sikkim into India as a state. Indira Gandhi asked for a few days to ratify the Indian constitution to include Sikkim as a new state. King Gogyal was unhappy with the decision made by the parliament and raised his concerns against it. The Indian army stepped into Sikkim on the pretext that the Sikkim king acted against the Sikkim parliament decision. The Indian government then conducted a vote for the people of Sikkim to decide whether they wanted to join India. 92% voted for Sikkim to be integrated into India. King Goyal again filed his consent on the voting, as most Sikkim citizens were outside Sikkim when the election happened. Indira Gandhi was quick to ratify the Indian constitution to include Sikkim as the 27th state of India. Pakistan and other countries protested India's action. China raised its concerns, but as India accepted China's claim on Tibet, China accepted India's Sikkim annexation. Morarji Desai, who became Prime Minister of India after Indira Gandhi, commented that India's action to annex Sikkim was a blunder. Sikkim annexation was a similar plot of what happened between Crimea and Russia recently. Thanks friends. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.